So for this week's move of the week, we're gonna use a landmine, one of my favorite pieces of training equipment, and we're gonna do a landmine reverse lunge, right? So the nice thing about this landmine reverse lunge, this single side variation, is that as I take a step back with that landmine, what it's gonna do is not only do my glutes on this side have to work a little bit harder to keep me from rotating, but the way that the weight is set up here too is it kind of pulls me into a nice deep position that emphasizes a lot of motion here at the hip. So you guys can see as I get set up, holding the end of that landmine, all right, I'm gonna line up the inside leg pretty much right at the end of that landmine so that when I come down, the barbell comes right inside of that ankle bone. But the nice thing is that without really having to use a ton of weight, I'm leaning off to this side, I'm getting a ton of contraction on this front side leg, and it's gonna pull me down into a little bit of a hinge position. So it's okay, you don't have to stay perfectly upright on this lunge position. I actually like a little bit of a lean forward, but just a killer way to really attack those glutes with a different kind of lunge variation. So check that out, landmine reverse lunges. Let us know how they go.